YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Sledgexl. You already know my channel, SHOTTOHEAD. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any notifications when I post new videos. Yo, it's summertime and a lot of people are rocking jerseys and whatnot. Check out my jersey, the Mind You jersey right there. Mind You is my team. I love the Mind You. But you didn't come here to listen to Mind You. Let's get into a few of my unboxing. You saw from the title about, you know, the Jordan 4s, but before I get into it, let's check this box out real quick. So I don't have a knife. Let me grab a knife. Alright, so this is a jacket that I picked up of, I think the website is Sledgexl. I saw Ivan Randall, you know, Mr. Steal Your Grandpa, Steal Your Girlfriend, something like that. Some guy with a beard rocking it, and it looked pretty decent and nice. So I decided to cop me one, check it out. And when it came, I haven't had a chance to check it out yet, but I'm sure I'm not gonna be disappointed. So let's see. It's, like I said, it's from Sledgexl and it says Modern Style lives here. I don't want to show my address, but it's a SG Rogue biker jackets in medium, and I think I paid $125 and it was free shipping. Alright, so alright, smells good, you know, decent leather. Alright, check this jacket out, yo. Check this leather jacket out, man. This is clean. This is really clean. Like, it's crazy clean. You know, I can't wait, you know, for those cold nights. Those little cool nights. I can wear these. It looks really good. Alright, let's jump into, if you want to cop one, I'll leave the description, I'll leave the link in the description below so you can check them out if you like leather jackets. Yeah. So Finish Line, I picked this one up on release day, but as you can see, that was like a couple months ago. I just haven't had the time. So box price was $200, but I had loyalty rewards for $20, so it came to $180 plus taxes. Everything came to $194.40 right there. All right, look at that. I know you probably already seen videos of other YouTubers out there, but you know, everybody's style is different. That's why you're here. But I really appreciate you rocking with me all the way up until now. I appreciate all the love and support. Yeah, without you guys, I wouldn't have the motivation to do the videos, you know? I'd be like, whatever. But anyways, decent shoes. Jordan 4s are classic. They are heavy shoes, don't get me wrong, but even with that, they are very easy to style. If you own one of these, it's summertime, rock it more often, you know, like do shorts, do, you know, jeans, do white jeans, do gray jeans, whatever, make it pop. You could do a gray t-shirt with some red accents in it, black cap with gray accents in it. Everything you do is gonna go very well with this. Let's start with the bottoms. So the bottoms, there's the red, Nike in red. There's a white pad over here and white and red. On the lateral side, you've got your suede, smooth black leather. You've got your air bubble right here in the midsole, and this part is white. There's a gray material over here. The flaps, black and gray. The laces are flat black laces. It's got that little panel over here in the front, and then the toe box area. The suede on these is very decent and clean. overall it's a very clean shoe. You know, don't get me wrong. If you like Jordan 4s, this is a very great addition to the collection. And when they came out, I think it was a mass release. Everybody that wanted them should have been able to cop them. So I mean, I'm sure most of you out there have a pair, but how do you rock it? That is the biggest question. If you own one of these, let me know in the description how you rock yours. When do you rock yours? Do you rock it during the nights when it's more, you know, calm and quiet and gloomy, or do you rock it during the daytime so you can get the pop out of this? Let me know. Until I see you next, stay tuned for the on-feed action, and go check out some of my other videos. Peace out.
To you first, just to come to find out that it'll never work. I've been down in the dirt, tell me what it's worth. I've been down in the dirt, living with a curse. I've been down in the dirt, kicked to the curb. I've been down in the dirt, I've been through the worst. Have you ever found love where the pain hurt? I had to bury my heart in the same dirt. I had to dig it back up and give it to you first, just to come to find out that it'll never work. I've been down in the dirt, tell me what it's worth. I've been down in the dirt, living with a curse. I've been down in the dirt, kicked to the curb. I've been down in the dirt, I've been through the worst. Everything went wrong and it hurts us. I had to go and pull the plug on my first love. I had to see you take a last breath. You ain't never felt pain till you feel it in your chest. Look, I took a bullet and I'd rather take another one than to feel the same pain, and that's on my son. I've been down in the dirt for so many years. You ain't never seen a grown man shed tears. All I really wanna see is the best you. Put my life on the line to protect you. You were right there when I didn't have no ends. You were there when I came through in the Benz, but you still broke my heart, fucking with my friends. Ever since then I never really had a chance. Now my heart is made of stone, left in God's hands. Now I understand it's all a part of God's plans. Still gutter, still hurt, still in the dirt. You just talk about that life, but you don't know the first. Coming from a broken home like it's all good. Now I'm walking with my heat through the wrong hood. God please guide me to a better way. All I really got is faith, every day I pray. I can still feel it beating deep up in my ribs. I swear to God, all my life I do it for my kids. Have you ever found love where the pain hurt? I had to bury my heart in the same dirt. I had to dig it back up and give it to you first, just to come to find out that it'll never work. I've been down in the dirt, tell me what it's worth. I've been down in the dirt, living with a curse. I've been down in the dirt, kicked to the curb. I've been down in the dirt, I've been through the worst. Have you ever found love where the pain hurt? I had to bury my heart in the same dirt. I had to dig it back up and give it to you first, just to come to find out that it'll never work. I've been down in the dirt, tell me what it's worth. I've been down in the dirt, living with a curse. I've been down in the dirt, kicked to the curb. I've been down in the dirt, I've been through the worst. I'm standing at the edge waiting for a push. I swear to God, if it wasn't for this kush, I'd be dead or in prison sitting on a bus. I do it for my family and my people show me love. Mama told me ghetto boy gotta hang on, but it's getting even harder trying to stay strong. But I'm a motherfucking man and I gotta do it. Press play on this song when you're going through it. Step 1, keep your faith in the Lord. Step 2, gotta pray when it's hard. Step 3, make a move, do your part. Step 4, finish everything you start. Step 1, keep your faith in the Lord. Step 2, gotta pray when it's hard. Step 3, make a move, do your part. Step 4, better finish what you start. Have you ever found love where the pain hurt? I had to bury my heart in the same dirt. I had to dig it back up and give it to you first, just to come to find out that it'll never work. I've been down in the dirt, tell me what it's worth. I've been down in the dirt, living with a curse. I've been down in the dirt, kicked to the curb. I've been down in the dirt, I've been through the worst. Have you ever found love where the pain hurt? I had to bury my heart in the same dirt. I had to dig it back up and give it to you first, just to come to find out that it'll never work. I've been down in the dirt, tell me what it's worth. I've been down in the dirt, living with a curse. I've been down in the dirt, kicked to the